Hi, I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and eXp Realty, your trusted real estate expert in Myrtle Beach in the Grand Strand. Today, let's uncover why November is a gold mine for real estate deals. November brings unique market dynamics. Sellers are motivated and competition is lower, creating a perfect buying opportunity. Sellers are eager to close deals before the year's end, often leading to more negotiable prices and better deals for buyers. Buying in November can offer tax advantages, making it a financially savvy move for those looking to invest in real estate. If you're considering a property in the Myrtle Beach or its surrounding areas, November might just be the perfect time. Contact me, Vicki Harvey, for the best deals in town. I'm here to guide and protect you.